In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can erase all data from a laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, but essentially first things first, go down to your search bar and you need to search for reset this PC. So type in reset this PC, hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You can also go to your settings and then go to system and then recovery, and you'll find it in this exact same section. But essentially go ahead and select reset this PC once you're in this area, and you're going to have to choose between two things. Keep your files, which removes apps but keeps all your personal files, or remove everything, which fully deletes all of your data. If you want everything to be erased, go ahead and select remove everything, and then from here you need to choose how Windows is going to be reinstalled. Now you either have two options for this: cloud download, which uses internet, or local reinstall, which uses your files on your device. Choose whatever option works best for you, but after that, review the details, hit next and confirm, and your laptop will restart and begin wiping all of your data. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.